So hey, so what we're gonna do is be making shine with glue. So all you would need, so this is how it looks when you make it. And so yeah, and what we're gonna be doing is making it shine with glue. And you need some OxiClean, and you need some baby powder. And then you need your mixing tool. It's just nasty. Then you need your bowl. Come my video. Then so first thing first, so what we're gonna add is your glue. Hold up, you guys, show me glue. Oh my god, I hope the glue is okay. I hope the glue ain't messing up. So you guys, so this how much glue we're going to add. So we're going to add that glue. And now what we're going to do is we're going to add to our OxiClean.
Turn the fan on.
So that's how we're going to put a little so if it's nasty. It's already like turning to slime. See? Look at little cheeks brothers, well cousins, well brothers. How's it called us? So now if you just mixed it up, see? Here you go, I'll have a look. See, it's getting shine. So now what we're going to do is add your baby powder. So you just add, I'm going to show you how to add. See? Let me move this. This is how much we add. Yeah, so now we're going to stir. Oh, so is that shine? I think it's slime already.
Come on, choke the bottom.
So you guys, so we're going to add like a little more baby powder.
Would you go over see what you do? You gonna be nasty. Go right in. She don't got no eyes.
And so yeah, so that's how you look. So now what I'm going to do is add some marbles like regular. So I got my marbles in here. So I'm going to put some marbles in the shop. It's too sticky. Yeah. So you guys. So yeah. Oh my gosh, you might want to add like a little more of marbles. These for my brother.
Subscribe to her channel. Get 1,000 likes on her channel. We'll do another channel. It's gonna be a glam flake. It's gonna be lit.
So yeah. So he got a first slime that I made for them. So he got one slime. Well, I ain't gonna get to y'all yet. So now, so that's the first one. No! Hey, so we're gonna make the next slime. One of y'all gonna have to get like this much glue. Some of y'all gonna have to get that much. Let's go. What I actually clean. I'm running out of ooh, this ain't slime. Stop that. Oh, I need some more glue. Don't mess with it. So yes, I need some more ice. No, I ain't gonna need no more ice cream. Cause you got some like right here. So now what we're gonna do is you're gonna add your baking powder. Y'all stop it! Where's that playing wrestling? I'm trying to make all the baby powder get in there, like real in there. Cause yeah, so it's shine. Yeah, see? But it's it's breakable, but it shines. So yeah, so they're gonna add like a lid in marble. So okay, they be mad when I put the marbles right there. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna try to get this little bit of baby pad and I'm gonna try to stir it up. Yeah, so this should have color to be. So now I'm finna powder, baby. I'm finna put the marble. Please don't break your TV, y'all. So yeah, you can see the big one. Y'all stop. You can see the big one. And yeah. Stop. So yeah. Get it. Yeah. Oh yeah. So we got a first slime. He got the second one. So here I go. So I got this one. So thank you for watching and subscribe to my video. If you like it, so bye.